Yon, day 2 ng aming Mount Kinabalu expedition.
Free breakfast. Yeah. So 2:30. Trying to go to summit. I mean, good luck. Oh, it's clear. Yeah. Then ay, very challenging. Siguro nakaka 200 meters pa lang kami. Ayun ang motivation.
How many meters?
Sorry?
How many meters are we? On the moon.
Buti lang 6.5. So less than 2 kilometers pa sa amin. Last stop.
Ito yung last checkpoint before ascending the summit. Sabi, you have to be here before 4:30 a.m.
Olin.
Vicks,
Ayan na. Oh my God. Ayun pa sila. Marami pang climbers. I think normal pa yung facing. So hindi kami late. Hindi pa rin advance. And full of energy pa. Oh my God. Ang ganda-ganda. Kilometer 8. I made it.
Finally, we made to the kilometer 8 marker. Although there are still a few more meters pa to walk before we can get to the summit.
Napakaganda. Sobrang rewarding na itong view na to. Hindi tayo nagkamali. One step at a time. Baby steps lang. Paabot tayo sa dulo. Ayun. Ayun na yung dulo.
You're fast! I was like having a hard time. On the last one. This is such a paradise. Like, can I be here? Nandiyan ka pa eh.
Nami. So anong realization mo sa climb na to?
Di ba meron tayong ano yun, helicopter sa Boba?
Yes.
Ano nga, assist?
Ambulance.
Pa-helicopter ambulance.
Pwede. Tawag ka na sa bupa.
Nasaan ba yung card ko? Helicopter ambulance. Hindi ko na kayang bumaba.
Dilibre kita next year. Ulit ka pa?
Ayoko. Kilimanjaro naman. Fuji,
okay.
Fuji.
Apo muna.
Sige, Apo. Mas mahirap yata.
Malupalupit ang mirror effect. Ito na nga. Testingin ng tuhod ang pababa. Grabe. Kaya. Sa ngayon, kaya pa. Our new friend. Hey.
So nice. It's like a chubaba. Pero dahil ko.
And then that big part, it came from there.
Yes, that's correct.
Oh my God.
The earthquake.
And when was the earthquake? To 2015.
5 June 2015.
2015.
June 5?
Kaya. Oh, it's a big white rock over there. Mami, yun, laki oh. Siguro.
How did you get this?
Takes years.
Naka-video ko ba din?
Take years to build this.
Yeah. Tsaka hindi yung kahoy yung galing.
It's a good lumber yan eh. Ulit ka pa? The summit
Finally,
And
we
go.
are back at
went
Tanarata.
down, still healthy, not injured. We're back. Is this water?
Yes.
Okay. 9:40, we're back. That's encouraging. You guys moving this? I think these guys are moving this marker. Going down is different.
Double that. That's all.
So this is the part where you're gonna pretend strong at the end finish line. Oh, I thought it's a waterfalls.
Almost done.
I need a stretcher.
Last part ng pababa, may isang stretch pa ng pataas going back to the jump off point.
Ending with stairs again.
Finally, we reached the jump off point again.
What? Why?
Bang! Picture! Okay.